Life is but a stopping place, a pause in what's to be, a resting place along the road to sweet eternity. We all have different journeys, different paths along the way. We all were meant to learn some things, but never meant to stay. Our destination is a place far greater than we know. For some, the journey is quicker. For some, the journey is slow. And when the journey finally ends, we'll claim a great reward and find an everlasting peace together with the Lord. His childhood name is Rosen Ray Bitoya. His pen name is RB. But to his classmates and friends, he is also known as Rosen, RB, and Bart. He was born 29th of March in the year 1993 at Malungon, Sarangani Province. Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo Bitoya were blessed with a cute and healthy baby boy. He is the second child of the family. Mrs. Zenaida Bitoya, formerly Miss Gillian, the mother, and Mr. Reynaldo Bitoya, the father himself. His siblings were John Ray, Jojo, and Cheche. RB started his education to hone his skills and abilities. His kindergarten at Johnny Ang Village Daycare Center in General Santos City. At the age of 6, he enrolled at Sarmiento Elementary School, Bagong Bayan, Sultan Kudarat for 6 months and continued his elementary years at Tacorong Pilot Elementary School. His parents decided to shape and carve their son's life for 4 long years at Tacorong National High School and expected to be one of the graduates batch of 2010. But because of his sudden death, the light of the candle blew out. RB may not have even known by his parents. Throughout his childhood, he lived in Malungon, Sarangani Province and Johnny Ang Village, General Santos City, before his family settled in Gawad, Kalinga at Tacorong City. When RB was about 13 years old, he lived in New Isabela, Tacorong City, for he was able to meet Ernie Toto Armeje. For RB, he considered him as his friend, kuya, uncle, and a father-like figure to him, for he fondly called him Tuti. RB had lived an amazing life, even though it was rather short. RB is in heaven now, and we are here on his funeral. This is not the time for us to grieve his death, but it is our time to celebrate his life. Don't ever forget him. He never wanted to see people cry. He wanted to make everyone happy. So, at this moment, when we are about to lay his body to rest, let's all think back and remember how RB touched our lives, how he made us laugh, and how good RB was as a person. This is not the moment for us to shed our tears, but we should all be thankful that we were given the chance to have known a man named Rosen Ray Bitoya. Nimble, admirable, superb, thoughtful, enthusiastic, amiable, good-natured, full of life, vivacious. These are the adjectives for you, though you cannot hear us. Let's just be thankful for all the special moments that RB has left us. And with that, I hope that RB will continue to live on within our lives and minds. RB will be forever be missed. But I know in the right time, I will meet RB again. We will meet RB again and will make us laugh in tears again. RB, Roz and Ray, Arb, Bart, we love you and we will be missing you.